Hello everyone, I am Mahesh Goda NS, studying at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Cyber Security. Today I am going to explain about basic principle of Anova. Introduction to Anova. Anova stands for Analysis of Variance. It is a statistical method used to analyze and compare the means of three or more groups. ANOVA helps determine if there are significant difference between the means of these groups. Null hypothesis. The null hypothesis in ANOVA states that there are no significant difference between the means of the groups. The alternative hypothesis suggests that at least one group means is different from other. ANOVA helps us test whether the null hypothesis should be rejected or not. Variability and error. ANOVA assesses the variability within groups and compares it to the variability between groups. Variability within groups is referred to as error or within group variation. If the between group variability is significantly larger than within group variability, it suggests that there are no significant difference between the group means. F statistics. The F statistics is a ratio between group variability to within group variability. It is calculated by dividing the mean square between groups by mean square within groups. The F statistics is used to determine if the observed difference between group means are statistically significant. One-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA is used when there is only one independent variable or factor. It compares the means of three or more groups to determine if there are significant difference between them. One-way ANOVA can be used to identify which significant group means differ significantly from each other. Two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA is used when there are two independent variable factors. It allows for the examination of the main effects of each factor as well as interaction between the factors. Two-way ANOVA helps determine if there are significant difference between groups based on different combinations of the two factors. Assumption of ANOVA. ANOVA assumes that data is normally distributed within a group. It also assumes that the variance within each group are equal. Violation of these assumptions may affect the validity of ANOVA results. Post hoc tests. If ANOVA reveals significant difference between the group means, post hoc tests can be conducted. Post hoc tests help identify which specific group means differ significant from each other. Common post hoc tests include Tokyo's HSD, Bonferroni and Skiffis tests. Effect size. Effect size measures the magnitude of the difference between group means. It helps determine the practical significance on observed differences. Common effect size measures in ANOVA include eta squared and Cohen's d. Conclusion. ANOVA is a powerful statistics method for comparing the means of three or more groups. It helps determine if there are significant difference between group means. Understanding the basic principles of ANOVA can aid in making informed decisions based on